Hi Virgos, welcome back. Guys, this reading is going to be for my Virgos, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. You could be a cross watcher who is drawn to this video too. Okay, so if you're a cross watcher, you can switch the energies and reverse the roles as it suits you. Alright, so let's see what do we have in store for my Virgos in your love life. We'll see your person's energy, your energy, and what's the most probable outcome here. Okay, so let's see what do we have in store for my Virgos. Virgos, I feel that you are in separation. You both are not talking to each other. Four of Swords. This is separation. Like you are thinking over a particular situation day in and day out. Something is stressing you. Could be some past memories. You may have spent some good moments with this person, so you are thinking and reliving those memories. Okay, Four of Swords and Ten of Cups says that you're thinking about something that has happened in the past with this person. So maybe you have had some good time. You're literally pondering over those memories. You're thinking about this person. So some of you're literally missing this person. I would say that you're missing this person. Okay, I think this wants to come out. So we have Ace of Pentacles. Just a sec, why do we have the Ace of Pentacles? Let's see, is this a new person or the old person? I think this wants to come out. Okay, Four of Cups. Okay, let me pull one more card. Two of Pentacles again. Okay, so Virgos, I feel that you're stuck between two people. We have the Two of Pentacles, Four of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. This means that there is somebody new who may have come in your life recently, and this person may have proposed to you. This could be for marriage, this could be for a long-term commitment. Okay, and you don't know what to do. You are confused, maybe because you have two choices. There is one you don't connect to at all. Like there is one person you just don't connect to. Maybe you care for that person, but you don't love that person. And there is one you literally connect to that person on a soul level. So which is why you are in this Four of Cups energy. You don't know what to do. Okay, Four of Cups, where you don't know what to do. You are confused who to choose. Okay, some of you are stuck between two people. You don't know who to choose. And Ace of Pentacles. Let's see, what do you want with this person? What do you want with this person? The Star in reverse, and we have the Hermit and Emperor in reverse. You know what? I feel that you have love for this person, but you don't have any hopes. It is like you love this person, but you don't have any hopes left in this connection. You feel maybe this is not going to work out, Virgos. Okay, I think with the Hermit and Emperor in reverse, you're very guarded. Very guarded. It's like you are done with the introspection. You are done with the thinking. You are done with, I think you have almost made a decision. Like, I don't know, some of you, I feel that you have come to a point where you have made a decision of who you want. It's like I feel that you're going to drop one and choose somebody else, Virgos. Okay, that is what I feel. You're going to drop one person and you're going to choose somebody else. You have made a decision, and there is, see, out of these two, there is one you don't connect to at all on a heart level, and you don't see any, I don't see you very happy with this person. It is like this person loves you a lot, but I feel that you don't connect with them and you're not happy with them. This could be that you feel that this is somebody who is not compatible with you at all. So maybe you have chosen somebody else. Okay, that could also be the thing. See, it's like you're very guarded. You see this Emperor here. This was in reverse. So I feel that, I don't know, some of you are almost on a verge of dropping somebody to be with somebody else, and that somebody else has offered you a strong connection. Somebody has offered you a strong commitment, could be marriage, and you see potential. So maybe you have, I think you have come to a point where you're going to drop one person to be with somebody else. Okay, yeah. See, bottom of the deck we have 5 of Pentacles, means you're literally striving for stability. See, Hangman, you're stuck, Virgos, okay? You're literally stuck. You don't know. Some of you, you feel that there's nothing much left in this connection and you want to move forward in life. It's like, I think some of you, you are in this place where you are ready to drop one person to be with somebody else, okay? Now let's see what is your person thinking about you, Scorpios. We'll see what is this person thinking about you. We'll see their energy now. What is your person thinking about you? Please give me a message. I think this wants to, okay, this is somebody who is thinking about you 24 hours. Ace of Wands. This is somebody who is thinking about you day in and day out. They are manifesting you. This is somebody who just can't think their life without you, Virgos. So you're dealing with somebody who has love for you and they are thinking about you. Yeah. 10 of Pentacles, my God. This is somebody who has love for you, Virgos. I don't know, this person has love for you. They want to marry you. See, 10 of Pentacles. They want to marry you. They want to have children with you. This person is thinking about you. They want to start fresh. I don't know what have they done to you in the past. We'll see what did this person do to you in the past. What have they done to you? What have they done to you in the past? Please give me a message. Lovers. Immense love. Any other message? What are the intentions towards you? What are the, okay, it's 9 of Pentacles and the Moon. See, Virgos, you know, this person is right now in a place of despair. They are sad, okay? This is somebody who is missing you. They are mourning over whatever has gone wrong in this connection. So I feel you both have had some issues between each other and this person is mourning over that. This person is somebody who still wants you. With the 9 of Pentacles and Moon, this person is thinking about you and they want you. I don't know, you are very lucky. I mean, I don't know, this is somebody who is very, very much in love with you. I see this person crazy. I see this person, I don't know, I see them very loyal. See, even in the past, I see that this person has been very loyal towards you. With the Lovers here, this has come as the intention. The intention is to win you. 9 of Pentacles here is, see, this is how they want you. See, they feel that you are their happiness. I think this is somebody who will treat you like a prince or princess. This is somebody who will literally love you to no extent, okay? This is somebody who wants you. I don't know, they are missing you. This is somebody who is sad. At this moment, they are not happy at all. Their intention is to have you and to win you back, Virgos, okay? So bottom of the deck is Temperance. This person wants to work on this connection, okay? This is somebody who is thinking about how to work on this connection, how to make this better, okay? So this is somebody who wants to have you, Virgos. Alright, so let's see what will be. We'll see love messages. Let's see what are your person's feelings for you. Any message for you? Any message for you, my Virgos? Pay attention to red flags. Some of you, you're being asked to pay attention to red flags. Maybe you're getting some signs that are cautioning you or warning you about someone in your life. As I said, maybe you have two choices and one is not the right person, okay? So you're being asked to pay attention to your intuition or the red flags that you have been getting of lately. So some of you, as I said, you have two choices. One is not the right person and one is the right person. Don't make a hasty decision because you may lose on a good soul, okay, while choosing somebody else, okay? So be careful. This is This is for you, Virgos. Okay, so pay attention. That is one. And yeah, needing financial support. Some of you, maybe you're going through financial stress. Okay, so you need some sort of financial support also. I think some of you are going through some financial stress here. So if you want, you can ask help from people around you. Okay, maybe there is somebody else who's already sent to support you, Virgos. So you're being asked to take help from that person. So some of you, you are going to get help from someone. All right. Yeah, see, I've got two cards. You don't give me time nowadays. See, your person feels that you don't spend time with them. Okay, this is your person's feeling. They feel that you don't spend time with them, and this is addicted to you. I said you're dealing with somebody who is crazy, who is addicted to you. This is somebody who is not going to let you go so easily. Okay, some of you, you're dealing with somebody who is mad and crazy for you. They're addicted to you, they think about you. So I don't know, this is a very beautiful reading after a very long time, but I see you in a state of confusion, Virgo. So as I said, you're confused between two people. So pay attention to the red flags and choose the right person. Okay, sometimes it so happens that you may take a wrong decision today and lose out on the right person, and 5 years down the line or 10 years down the line, that person is going to leave you. So be very careful. Don't go for looks, don't go for money, go for heart. Somebody who is loyal, somebody who is trustworthy. So pay attention to red flags. This is a message, like this message is warning you. So be careful, Virgos. As far as the sun signs are concerned, you could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This could be a Gemini, this could be a Pisces, or a Aries, Leo, Saggy. Okay, so these sun signs are prominent here. So you could be dealing with either of them. Sun signs could be any, but these sun signs are prominent. So that was that, my Virgos. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share and subscribe, and do let me know how did this resonate. If you want a personal reading, you can always get in touch with me. All the details are mentioned below in the description box. Okay, so that was that. You guys take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.